Well, hello, how are you? I'm going to fix the outside faucet. You know, the one where the garden hose connects up to. I kind of know what I'm doing, but I kind of don't know what I'm doing. And I figure it'd be safe because I can shut the water off on the inside. We're going to pull the guts out, and then we're going to go to the store, and I'll use this Insta360. Let's go. This is the faucet that we're going to work on right here. So when I turn this on, it starts to drip. Can you see that? So I'm assuming I have to unbolt this part, and we're going to pull out something. So I'll go inside and we'll shut it off, and then we're going to pull this out and go run our errand. Okay. So I shut the water off on the inside. Yeah, I gotta undo the hose. Okay, yeah. There's still water in the hose. Okay, so let's hope that when I shut the water off on the inside that thing holds. So I'm gonna open this up. Yes, okay. Okay, let's see. I don't know if it's screwed in the wall or if it's soldered in the wall. This is just all brass. Okay, I think you just take this and you unscrew it. So put the handle back on there. Oh. Oh. Ooh. So here, there's something here. That was like that. Packing washer was on top. You got this stuff. There's a washer right here I have to replace. Okay, let's go to the store. Oh boy, I don't know where to go. Valves, brass fittings, hose bibs. Oh boy. Look at all that stuff. Maybe I gotta ask somebody. Hello. Hi, I pulled this out of my house.
Yes, you did.
And I don't know what to do now.
Hang on a second. This is the one right here. That's the one I wanted.
Wall hydrant.
Yep.
This is a Woodford.
The bonus pack. That's going to be yours. Can't get it online. We've got 11 of those.
Okay.
That's the setup for it. There's that little piece he was talking about right there.
Okay, yeah.
That you don't have this one, so you don't.
And then I get this washer.
Yep.
So, you know, but do you have, I'm just curious, you don't have to show me, but see how this has a thread? You know, I go in there and I screw it in. What's it screwing onto?
There's a piece in the bottom of that. There's a piece in the bottom. I'm going to see if I can find exactly that one and see if they have a blow up it. Okay?
Yeah.
Hold on to this one.
Okay. Okay, we're back. So here's what I have. Woodford RK17MH model 17 repair kit. So I'll put that on the, in a link below. If you have the Woodford, see, here's how we found out. It said it on the handle. Got a metal handle on this one. Here's the packing. That's gonna go in here. Put the new washer on. Packing nut. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. So I'll use the new one. And it's gonna squish in, but I gotta dig out this little screw in here. Here's the old one, sat in there. Here's the new one, put it in there. Screw that in. I guess all the squeaking is coming from this thread right here. What happens is, you turn the faucet, this here unscrews from something, inside here, then the water flows through these holes and out. So then we're going to take the silicone and we'll put that on those threads. so they don't squeak. Put it here on the threads, on the inside of the threads. I think that's it. Okay, so this is new. This is new. Put it in here. Okay, let's put the hose on here so I don't get wet again. I think I fixed it, man. Huh? Look, it doesn't leak. It doesn't squeak anymore. Look at that. Fix the leak, fix the squeak. Not bad. All right, look at that. And we did it all with this little camera, with this thing, the Insta360. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. It's pretty good.